Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello fellas, it's Easy Peasy English. Today, I would like to learn about comparison. I think it was such a long time since the last time you went to the zoo or to the forest and saw animals. Now, I'm going to take you to virtual Amazon rainforest. Are you ready? Let's go! Okay, we've arrived in the Amazon rainforest. What animals that you can find here? Probably these animals came out in your mind when you thought about Amazon. Can you guess which one is which? Listen to the following dialogue and pay attention to the adjective of animals that will be mentioned. Write the numbers next to the pictures of the animals.
Bully, look at that dolphin! Wow, it's pink! Excuse me, sir. What kind of dolphin is that?
That's a river dolphin. They're very friendly. They live in South America. 2.
There's a big cat next to the river. It looks dangerous.
That's a jaguar. It's smaller than a lion.
3.
Is that yellow and bluebird a macaw? It has colorful feathers.
Yes, it is. We learned about them in school. There are 18 different kinds of macaws.
There's a red and green one over there. I'm going to take a picture of it.
4.
What kind of bird is that, Miss Spelling? It's white and has long wings.
It is in our book. It's called an egret. They eat fish and frogs.
I like the egret. It's plain, but it's very pretty.
5.
Is that tree moving? Yeah, it's a spider monkey. It's climbing in the tree. Sloth in the tree too. The spider monkey is energetic, but the sloth is calm. I think you're more like the spider monkey, Danny. Hey!
Can you mention the adjective of animals from the dialogue? 1. Friendly dolphin. 2. Dangerous jaguar. 3. Colorful macaw. 4. Plain egret. 5. Energetic spider monkey. 6. Calm sloth. It's Grammar Corner. How to compare animals. Let's compare Amazon rainforest animal. Take a look at this pattern.
The macaw is more colorful than the egret. Colorful. More colorful. Plain. Plainer. Dangerous. More dangerous. Friendly. Friendlier.
Remember, we use comparatives to compare things using adjectives. Rules number 1. Add ER for one-syllable adjectives. For example, plain. Plain is one-syllable adjective. Plain becomes plainer. The egret is plainer than the macaw. Rules number 2. Add IER for one-syllable adjectives which end in Y and take away the Y. For example, friendly. Friendly is two-syllable adjectives which end in Y. Friend and ly. Friendly. Friendly becomes friendlier. We remove Y and add IER. The dolphin is friendlier than the jaguar. Rules number 3. Next, we use more with other 2 or more syllable adjectives. For example, dangerous. Dangerous is 3 syllables adjective. Dangerous. Dangerous. Dangerous becomes more dangerous. The jaguar is more dangerous than the dolphin.
Is the macaw more colorful than the egret?
Yes, it is.
Is the macaw plainer than the egret?
No, it isn't.
Isn't. Is not.
1.
Is the macaw more colorful than the egret? Yes, it is.
2,
Is the spider monkey calmer than the sloth? No, it isn't.
3,
Is the jaguar more dangerous than the river dolphin? Yes, it is.
The sad thing about Amazon is that there was deforestation since 1970s. But then, in 20s, Brazil has successfully started to protect the Amazon rainforest. But it didn't last. In 2019, Amazon was burned. Amazon was entering the phase of deforestation again. It needs to be protected. That's all for today. Thank you for joining us to the Amazon Rainforest virtual tour. I hope you understand the lesson. Thank you very much. If you have any question, you can write down the question in the comment section below. Bye. Assalamualaikum.